When the enemy strike Jesus, Jesus is so powerful. Jesus is powerful because Jesus is ordained. Jesus is a product of a virgin. Lizzy Anjorin is the product of a very old woman. Jesus can tell God, Father Lord, àwọn ọ̀tá mi, àwọn ìyàbọ̀ òjò ìbá mi pa wọ́n run. Jesus have the strength to say it. He has the right. He can say it. But he was looking at them. Ó ṣe ní kàyéfì, ó dàbí ohun tó ń ṣe fún mi nínú Ìdúmàtà. Ẹ rí pé nínú Ìdúmàtà, wọ́n ní Lizzy tó lẹ́nu, ó wá ń wò, ó wá ń gentle. Àwọn kan tẹ̀ tún parọ́ pé mò ń bẹ̀bẹ̀. Ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Jésù kò yàtọ̀ sí ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú Ìdúmàtà. Jesus was confused because these are people he has showed love to. These are people Jesus has fed with one loaf of bread. He has performed magic in front of them. He has fed them. He gave them drinks. He gave them homes. Jesus has helped these people. And for the fact that the person Jesus loved most sold Jesus Christ out, it shocks him. Jesus Christ was shocked. He was being marveled. He was surprised. He was lost at that moment. He became human and he left the body of the son of a God at that moment. What happened to Jesus when they were beating him? When they were constructing the Adiegu, he was confused. Because he said to himself, this is people I have fed. This is people I have nurtured. This is people I have gave homes. These are people I have done miracle to help them. He was confused. The way Lizzy Anjorin was confused. I am not mi ò fira mi wé Jésù mo kàn sọ ìtàn ni. Just like bí agbára yẹn ṣe tó nígbà tó ká èmi náà mọ́ Ìdúmàtà, I was confused. Ó dàbí miracle ló torí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tí mo rí, gbogbo àwọn tó carry out iṣẹ́ yẹn ní Ìdúmàtà, they are people like them I have sent to school láti inú ogún mi. People like them I have empowered them. People like them I have done good things. Street ìtàn ti kígbe olè lé mi lórí pé wọ́n kọ́kọ́ ń ta stone láyé wọn, èmi mo kọ́kọ́ rà, èmi ni mo dáṣẹ́ stone lẹ̀. So many things was going on in my brain. Jesus failed to act at the right time. Now, by the time they will construct the cross, do the Adiegu, kí ná fi kan Jésù. Wọ́n wá kan Jésù mágbélébùú mọ́ olè. Bí wọ́n ṣe kan Lizzy Anjorin mọ́ olè Ìdúmàtà. Kọ́lọ́njẹ́ kágùn lẹ́mìí wọ́n ní kú tó ń pojú gbẹ̀ ní òwe ńlá ló ń pa fún ni. The two great messengers, they came to this world for us to learn from them and choose wisely. Shall you understand? By the time Jesus will regain and come over everything that, anyway, he said, my father, ǹjẹ́ eléyìí lè ré kọjá? His father said, jẹ́ kí àṣẹ mi kó ṣẹ. Jẹ́ kí àṣẹ mi kó ṣẹ. Ó lọ fà. Ṣá máa jẹ́ kí àṣẹ Ọlọ́run ṣẹ. A ní sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Nígbà tó sọ wípé nígbà tí Olúwa sọ fún Jésù pé jẹ́ kí àṣẹ mi kó ṣẹ. Let thy will be done. Let thy will be done. And the will of God happened. Wọ́n wá sọ fún wa wípé Jésù jí nídè. Má gbàgbé pé ọmọ Ọlọ́run ni Jésù. gbogbo ìtàn tó kù tán kọ wa, gbogbo ìtàn tó kù tán sọ fún wa pátápátá ìtàn ló dẹ̀ kù. Kókó ni wípé he could not use his power despite the fact he's powerful. Nílé ayé tí mo wà yìí, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ dàbí ẹni tó pa Jésù.
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Lizzy Anjorin tí ó tún sọ nínú fídíò yìí. Ẹ ti gbọ́ bó ti sọ wípé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Jésù òun náà ni ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí òun ní Ìdúmọ̀tà.
Kò sí tí mo máa dákẹ́ fún nínú yín.